This is a 1928 Chenard Walcker T11 four-door limousine. Now, this car was imported into the UK in 1990. I think it's had 2 keepers since it's been here. A very, very rare car. It's only been thought to be one of 5 that he's ever actually manufactured. Current vendor's been using it at shows. He's also done over 40 weddings using this car. So it's a really unusual thing. Beautiful maroon over cream or red over cream bodywork. Really good presentable condition considering the age of this car. He's also just recently put 4 new tyres on, which are the proper spec, proper vintage classic period tyres. I mean, obviously, if you start to look a little bit more closely at the bodywork, there are signs of repairs and touch-ups over the years, but it is nearly 100 years old, this car. So it's not looking too bad. Certainly looks a lot better than me anyway, for my years. So yeah, running boards, really nice, good condition. A few signs of like little repairs. We'll just go around and show him a little more closely. One there. It also comes with 2 spares. I think one's a wheel and a tyre, and then you've also got a spare just loose tyre, just in case you're unlucky enough to have 2 problems. Yeah, nothing really of note. Okay, yeah, they're the new tyres there that Sam's showing you with the white walls on them as well. Then we'll have a look on the inside. Again, been nicely done to a good standard. The velour seats, red piping on there, matching carpets as well, and door cards. Very basic, obviously, on the dash, but everything seems to work. We'll get it started up shortly and show you that. Then in the back, the limousine aspect comes into play here. There's a little bit of history on it here as well, which we just told you a bit about. There's some photographs of that paperwork on the lot. So you've also got these fold down seats at the front here as well, so you can fit 4 people comfortably in the back. Now, this car has had an engine conversion. The owner has put in a Land Rover petrol engine instead of the original Chenard Walcker engine, which we'll show you now. Oh, can you just, I'll do it. I need to just remove this radiator cap before lifting the bonnet, otherwise you'll damage the bonnet. So there we go, that's the 4-cylinder, I think it's a 2.2, so 2200cc petrol Land Rover engine, probably from the 60s. Now the vendor does tell me in storage he's actually got the original engine. It is mated to the original Chenard Walcker gearbox there through a plate. Sam, have a look at that. So he's got a conversion bell housing plate there, so they converted the original gearbox onto this Land Rover engine. All looks pretty clean and tidy, and there's signs of a slight leak just around the bottom of the cylinder head there. I've noticed a little bit of oil on the floor while it's been here for the last week or so as well, so perhaps just a couple of leaks just need a bit of addressing. Right, well, let's start her up. Just put this radiator cap back on. The Golden Eagle. Not sure whether that's the original or not, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, so this engine has been done by the current vendor, so it's quite a recent job, and he's done it very well, to be fair. It does start up and sound lovely. There we go. Yeah, really nice and smooth. So there you have it, a car that you could take to shows, maybe just use occasionally. Don't forget it's nearly 100 years old, or also a commercial prospect with using it for weddings. It's been proved by the previous owner that it's been a very popular wedding car, as I said earlier, done over 40. So great little rarity there for you in the auction.